And we are live. We are live. We are live. All right, so let's continue to where we left off yesterday. Today, this morning. Turn on some music. That's good. Right, let's go to here, and so I can watch the chat. Man, I wish I have a second monitors. Alright, so let's dive into the lesson for today.
Let's start by getting some of the project setup out of the way. I've written some step-by-step instructions here in the challenge. It is going to be a little bit more involved because we're creating everything completely from scratch, or almost completely from scratch. So your challenge is to create a components folder, and this components...
Let's do this. Component folders, new folders, component. Right. Okay.
Folders is going to have two files in it, the navbar.js file and the main.js file.
Navbar.js file. Navbar. New file. Navbar. And then also in here, there's a new file called main. Right? So pretty much it. Yep. Create an app component outside component folders sibling to the index. Create an app component. So function app open bracket. Basically, you just write a function. Return. It's going to be returning this. And it's going to be should be this. Right, navbar / this. But first we need to import the import React from React. Right, and then we import, what is it? React DOM from React something. I forgot, what is it called? Down. So React from React DOM, such this, and then we have as React DOM. Yes, React DOM. To the vida, to the vida. Must have one parent element. What? So I don't need this. Must have at least one parent element. Right. Can we do that? Probably not. Weird. Go back. Right, we just go into here and then create an app component as a sibling to sibling. Have app render the navbar component. All right, renders. So React DOM react DOM dot renders open is going to be app open this and then close it and then commas. I don't think we do this right. To the vida 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 to the vida vida document get element by ID root to the vida 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 to the do 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 do. Yeah. We have to wrap it in the div. Didn't know that. I know we need to wrap it in something. To the vida 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 to the vida vida vida. Do 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 do. Right, we import React. From rename .js. Right, rename .js from React. Copy this, no, cut this and then put it in here. Then we import. No, we don't need to import anything. We need to write a function, write the component. So this component is going to be main and then open bracket this return a, what do we need to return? Let's see. Have nav render main component React DOM. At this point you should have navbar goes here, import render the app component inside index. Yeah, okay, go to Google fonts and get into fonts with blah blah blah, put the link to those fonts above and index.html. Import and render the app component inside. Now at this point you should have navbar go here showing up in the mini browsers. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let me go to the other page. Let's see what is here. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Today efficiency is boom, a lot. I'm so efficient today. Someday, not too much, but today is like a good day. Right, we have image, we have fonts, okay. Navbar function. First of all, we need to import React from React. Cut this, put this in here. Function. It's going to be navbar. Open this. Then we do this. And we return. Going to be a div. Right, copy this, have a slash. Right, we want this, and this. So to div, one div just to include this and one div to include this, so that we can have a. So first of all, we need to do div and only have one parent. Right, we do this div slash div, and we call this class name equal logo here is going to be img. Where can I get the pictures? Holy moly, I have to download the picture, right? Vectors. Yep, I have to put the picture in here. Where can I get the picture? Let's get the pictures. React here. How can I put it here? Not going to work. Right, we just here do this. img, then src equal. This is going to be the logos. Right, we have to self-close this as well. It's not going to work. And then we are going to do an h3 slash h3. Exactly. React facts. Right. Pretty much it. And we do an h4 is going to be h4 slash h4. This is going to be course 1. Where can I type this? Copy to clipboard, and here we are. Now the main JS is going to be h1. First of all, we wrap it in a div and then slash div h1 ul li slash li. Right, going to be 5 bullet points. Woo! 5 bullet points. Going to be a slash here, and this div is right, no corresponding closing tag. What do you mean? I miss the h1 slash h1. This is going to be fun fact about ReactJS. Right, do this. Boom. 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 To the vida, 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 to the vida, vida, vida. To the vida, 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 da, 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 da. All right, baby. Let's run this. See what is going. Oh, we need to import the main from this is going to be dot component. Whoa, what the fuck? There's a fucking bug in my house. What the fuck is this bug? Is that a cockroach? Jesus Christ. Fucking cockroach. Oh, you stupid motherfuckers. Fuck up here. Wait. Oh my god. My camera disconnect. But we are back here. Right, we're back. Component, what is it going to be? We have to go into this component folders, and we'll do slash, and we do main, right? Let me see, last slide. How will he do it? How to go in another folders in HTML. Ay. React. What the fuck is this guy doing? That's a lot. Right, we need to go into components, and then we go into main. I think mine is good. Main.js. That would be better. Components. This is gonna be nav bar. Nav bar. Try and run this. Let's see what happens. Unknown required. Components. Go in a folder. Go in a folders in React. C folders. From remove the first and what as expected. Guys, how do you access a ReactJS file? Do I do this? Dot slash across origin. How do I access this? Oh yo yo. What is wrong with this? You do dot outside of SRC, which isn't supported. Could be from, right? Yeah. How do I get in here? Yo 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 yo.
And my terminal out. It will help you to understand the project name. And if we go to for more medium and advanced level, so
Okay.
this is where we can
Dot slash. Wait. I just need to go in here and run this. Main unknown require dot slash component main unknown require. What? Why I cannot access my file? What a fucking joke. Fucking joke. Dot. Let's try dot slash main.js. Can it work? Oh, I think it works. Dot slash main.js. What? Navbar. Navbar. What the fuck? Oh, this guy's doesn't. Ay. Let me see my note from last time. Hopefully we can figure something out. Slash main content. I did the same things, right? Dot slash component. Wait. Do I have to this? I have to go out? Do I have to do both of it like this? Slash component. Is there any problem with my navbar? No, nothing. That is. Oh, I forgot to export default. Hey, yeah. That's why. I have to export default. That's why it's not working. On this line instead of that line. That's why it's not working. Now I see why. Forgot about export default. Export default. Right, now we run. There we. Wait, what? Error unknown? Why is it error unknown? Oh yeah, I don't have the picture yet. So let's try and grab picture. Logos .img. How do I put the logo in here? I don't know. Can I export this? Open this in the how do I open it as a how do I import a logo here?
For now, have to collect and reference them in style.css, a series of link tags that you can use.
I think I overdo it. The instructor doesn't want me to do a lot of this, all of this. But we should do it, right? We should do it. I go to Google Fonts, get Inter Fonts. Where's Inter? Google Fonts. Font knowledge. Okay. Into Milan. Alright, copy this. Above the style.css link in HTML. Right. Error no, because I don't have the picture yet. So let's keep this. Delete this pictures. Run. Okay. There's no error known anymore. And then what should we do next? Put the links to those fonts above blah blah blah. Use the links element instead of import. Right, getting the fonts, you may need to figure out how. Well, if you haven't done it before, oh, this is easy. I did it. So yeah, let's go into body, and then we do, what do we do here? Robotos, and then boom. Okay.
To put inside of our intake a little bit of extra NPF here and main section or something like that. So pause now and work on this challenge. I'm just going to bring up my preview window. I'll duplicate that line, change navbar turn the way that I inside of the screencast.
Did that. I did that.
My app, which is rendering the OM. So to get the interface family is inter, and it shows our weights and everything from this challenge. If you've never dealt with Google Fonts before. So if you did find yourself in CSS, so it is
easy.
Clicking on the little arrow at the top and choosing to duplicate this to your drafts. That'll make it so that you aren't seeing everyone else's cursors and selections, but also so that you can make changes to it if you'd like. Okay, let's do it. Let's jump right in and start working on the navbar portion of our project. Hey there, I'm jumping in at this point to let you know that I've created a very quick Figma tutorial. Throughout this course and many others here on Scrimba, we're going to be providing you with a Figma design file, and I do think you'll find Figma fairly intuitive, but I thought it would be a good idea to just record a quick tutorial to help you along. The first thing you'll have to do is go over to figma.com and create a new account. And as I was signing up for a second account just to kind of test this process, I realized that there's actually a lot of steps, so I figured I would walk you through it. First, you're going to click sign up. You'll obviously either sign up with Google or you can provide an email and password. I believe if you provide an email and password, it will have you go verify your email, so it'll send you an email to verify. Once you've done that and you come back, it will have you choose which kind of drop you into the Figma interview.
We moving on. We moving on.
Okay, this is the fun part. We're actually going to make our navigation bar look the way that it looks in the design. A couple pieces of advice. I highly recommend you reference the Figma file that contains all of the fonts, colors, spacing, and everything instead of just looking at this quick reference that I put here, but this is meant to be just a quick reference for you if you need it. Another thing is I have added a couple of base styles to our styles.css. I ran into some problems trying to record this without putting my box sizing, and just because it helps a lot, I'm going to remove the margin on body, especially to make our navigation bar go all the way to the edges. Also notice that I have included the React icon small image here inside of the images folder. You can see that's part of the design up here in the upper left. So without further ado, pause the screencast and make the navigation bar look as close
Navigation bar.
to our design as you can.
Okay. Right. Navigation bar.
Alright, let's do this.
Alright, let me keep this up so that I can see chat. Chat, it's good. Now we return navigation bar. This is the nav. Blah blah blah. Logo, image, right? So we do a div. PIE. Hate this. So we do this, do div, and we do div, right? Diffy in a jiffy. Then we do, what can it be? Oh, so logo, so the image, img, src equal. This is going to be dot images slash React icon small. We add some alt text equal for this React logo, and then yes, pretty much it. Slash this. What should we do next? We should have the text next to it, so it's going to be h3, going to be slash h3. This is going to be React facts, and under this, right, in this we should have a div. Diffy in the jiffy, call this class name equal, we do logo slash div this. We are okay. So h4 and slash h4. This is going to be React course. Jiffy and a Jiffy. Right. We run. Does not have access to the actual navbar. What? Dot components. Why is it like this? Navbar export return function. Return. Oh yes. There we go. That is why it's not working. So we close bracket, run it. Now it works. The app logo is not right. It's good. Should we hard code it in the image size, or should we do something else? Let's just hard code it for now. It's going to be 40. Right, run this. Okay, that's good. React facts. Now we make it so that it has for CSS React. So we do the div. Class name equal, here is going to be called navigation. Okay, we don't need this. We run and we do this, do dot navigation. It's going to be display flex right, and then what do we do here? This div is going to be Jiffy and a Jiffy. Div is going to be display flex. It's going to display, yeah, let's do flex as well. So we do class name equal logo, right, by flex, justify content, space between, right, margin, navigation. It's going to have a padding. Let's do 1M. Yep, that's good. Right, how many is that? Let's say 2M. 2M looks good. That means the bottom is going to have a 2M as well. But we will stick with that. Let's stick with that. Right, now we have to do the logo. Logo is going to be display flex as well. Why is it not working? Yes, now the image is squeeze. navbar, we delete this. Run. Right. Font size. Logo, display flex. Space. Justify content. Space between as well. Run this. That's good. Now we have to make it so it's display. How big should the fonts be? I'm assuming the image is going to be IMG, going to be only with 40 pixel. Height 40 pixel as well. Alright, 40 by 40. Good. React fonts. Position absolute width. Instead of doing padding, yeah, it's good. Now we do logo, padding, left 1M. Should not be 1M there. Should be where is it? Image padding left and then up, right? Fonts family, fonts weight, font size, colors. Copy all this. First of all, I need background first. H3 is going to be this. Font size is going to be 2M. Wow, that's huge. 1M. 1.5 M. Right, H4 is going to be fonts family. H4. How do I make it like on the same line? And spacing, height, size, font weight, letter spacing, that's good. Font style normal. Display flex, space between, align item, centers, right, navigation, align item, centers. Okay, now we just need to do 1 EM and that's is good. All right, okay, what do we do? What do we change here? Oh, we do the blue. What is the blue? This blue colors. Space between. Why the space between doesn't work? Between. Let's just do padding left. 0.5 rem. Right. Good. It's good. Yup. Going to not work if we put too close together. But now we do a colors. Navigation is going to have a colors of what? What should this be? Right, Do slash boom background colors. Ooh, sexy. Boom, we are doing some ReactJS work.
Instead of rendering an H1, I'm going to open this up and render a nav element because this is a navigation bar. And inside of there, we know we have an image. Give it its sort of small semaphore. Because it was nice to spit off and looking from the mark this design to go back to saying it's live, but the markup does not. So actually doing React. But my goal with this course is not just to focus entirely on React. I want to synthesize some of the information you have been learning so far, including revisiting the CSS and markup and stuff like that as much as we can. Frankly, in this first section of the course, we aren't doing much of the detailed side of React. We mostly have just learned some of the very basic syntax. But I think it's important for us to kind of remind ourselves of the this that we're going to actually address later. But whenever you feel good about everything we've done here in this challenge, then let's move on to the next one. Okay, let's work on this main section here. I do want you to skip 2 aspects of the design. Right now, we're not going to worry about changing the colors of these bullets. We're not going to worry yet about adding this logo over here to the right. Everything else, though, is fair game for this exercise, so pause the screencast and work on this task.
Easy. This is going to be easy. Yeah. Open this. And then we do div slash div. And then we do blah blah blah. What happened to my nose? I'm not meant to picking my nose, but there's something in my nose. It's like a bug or something. H1 slash H1. This is going to have a fun fact about React, right? The fun facts about React. React is very fun. Alright, then you do ul slash ul li copy, boom boom. We do now we should keep it on one line so that it's going to be copy this, and then we do this. Going to be boom boom. Jordan Walkies. Like this, there's a E sound. This do you spell this E as well? Woo! Run this. Right. That's good. Now we do to the JS. What is this? Should we do the same thing like him? What did he do? Like something on my nose. Jesus. Title. Go to title and comments is like double select both of this and then have margin 0. Well, we do that. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. This div is going to have a class name. Name equal background. And this is going to be class name title. Class name list. Wait, how did he space it like this? Margin, box sizing, display flex, line item centers, background height padding, 35, 25, 30 pixel, 25 pixel, margin, logo text. Wait, what? How can he? It's time to stand up, guys. Stand up. In the air, da 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 da. Do your dance, do your dance, da 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 da. Background. First of all, background. Background. Do your dance, da 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 da. Background colors. What color is it? Background. Run. We do margin 0. Let's from the H1 for sure. H1 going to be margin 0. Why that is? Gap. Looks like it. There is a gap, still a gap padding top. 10 pixel. still a gap here, and it's bugged me. Margin 0, and the body already has margin 0, so you don't need it. But the fonts, colors, white. No padding top, no nothing. Just this and fonts family. Alright. One. We do padding from this one. Padding. What is the fonts colors? Colors FFF, so it's all white. White. Then bullet point. We can style that easily. Padding. We do 1M on every side, and then 2M top. 2M top. What the frick? 3M. 3 rem, and then 2 rem. 1 rem. So 1 rem is going to be around 16 pixel in this case. Let's do 1.5. Look like it. Right, and then we do this. Then we do UL. Bullet list style. How can we style the colors? List style. List style. Can we do colors? We cannot do colors. Can't do colors. List style colors. There we go. Style none. Display content. Change the colors. Colors. Copy this. Color is this? Copy this. There's no way. There's like only this. No way. UL list style none. Content. Well, I guess that's only the only way. What a scam. Change bullet colors, CSS. List UL list style none. Right, this sounds like there's only one way how to do this, and we're going to stick with this. LI 4 going to be content, this colors Right. Going to print that colors in. Da, 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 da. Run. Why the frick? What? Padding. Right. 2M. Each line spacing is going to be different as well. So we do li. We code li first. We want to keep this. So we want the li to be margin 0, padding going to be 1M. Not working. Oh, that's weird. Does li have like a default values? Why is it like this? Oh yeah, I remember UL has a default value. Default values. Display block, let's start margin top, margin left. Alright, no shit. Li. Display list item. UL margin 0. Right, let's not do margin. We do li padding 10 pixel 10 pixel. How do I make this padding? Basically the same. What the fuck? Padding right 10 pixel 20. What? How do I fucking code this? Da, 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 da. Right, let the instructors tell us. Yeah, we do basically that.
The entire body here. A couple fixed this a little bit later, but it did how. What I'm gonna do is
You hide
actually
100.
move this background color to the body so that
Alright, background you hide. Width. $100 pH. Height. What the fuck? What happened to my computer? Width, height.
That it does cover everything. Okay, and that'll be
Oh, this guy fucking keyboards keep making me.
a good enough start. We'll fill it right now, and that way cause elements push themselves away from other elements, if that makes sense. I'm going to give my unordered list a class name, margin top of, it looks like a slight change. Actually just copy these out. This one's technical and style together, so I'm going to select all of the list items under main facts. I'm doing this just so I don't have to give a class name to every single LI or give the same class name to every single list item there. And actually, let's go ahead. I don't need that. That's not making a difference. That's already have to apply some padding to these. So let's give a little bit of padding. There's a relatively new CSS property called padding block that allows me to only specify the padding on the top and bottom in one go. Start with 10 pixels. See how that looks. And yeah, that looks fairly accurate. Another thing I'm noticing is that the text is actually wrapping around here, and mine is not. It's going all the way to the right. This probably isn't much of a problem. Something like 400 pixels. Yeah.
Oh, he didn't change the colors. That's why. Oh man, max width. 400 pixel. Why my text like this? Maybe because there's padding right. No. Padding block 10. Well.
And yeah, that seems to wrap it a little bit. A bit of a gotcha to them, so I thought it could be good to do them each as a separate assignment, and that is what we're going to cover next.
Alright, I think I'm going to hop up the